G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a great home, 106 Limpus Street in the popular marina side suburb of Urangan. We are only minutes away from the Urangan Beach and Marina Boat Club, Urangan Central Shopping Centre and the iconic Urangan Pier. There's a fair bit to take in. Let's go and take a look around. With interest rates at record lows and rental vacancy rates as tight as we have ever seen them across Hervey Bay, there really has never been a better time to invest in our local property market. Astute investors will always know it's about location, location, location. And this sound brick home was built in 1985 and is positioned on a spacious 619 square metre allotment in the highly sought after bayside location of Urangan. Surrounded by key amenities including the Urangan Marina and boat ramps, Hervey Bay Boat Club, the Urangan Central Shopping Centre, Botanic Gardens, Esplanade, Beach, cafes, restaurants and that iconic Urangan Pier. This home would also be ideal for the first home buyers looking to purchase into an established area with strong growth potential and room to add further value, or those looking for a low maintenance home base to return to between your nomadic travels. You will immediately notice this home has been tastefully refurbished over time, with the open plan dining and living area really forming the heart of the home, and it also includes reverse cycle split system air conditioning. The kitchen has been refurbished again and offers plenty of bench and storage space plus a pantry. Appliances include an electric stove with range hood and a dishwasher. You will appreciate Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate from the covered north-facing al fresco outdoor entertaining area. This home does include 3 spacious bedrooms, all with ceiling fans. The main bedroom includes a built-in wardrobe and reverse cycle split system air conditioning. The remaining 2 bedrooms both have freestanding wardrobes as well. The bathroom features a shower, bath and vanity, and you've also got a separate toilet. The laundry offers direct access outside to the clothesline. Vehicle accommodation includes a detached single garage with power, and there is also space to accommodate a caravan, boat or RV. Those with a green thumb will appreciate the lovely established low maintenance gardens. There really is nothing left to do except move in and enjoy the lifestyle that will come with living in this idyllic location. So here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.